The importance of reporting. The underreporting problem. Victims rarely report discrimination to the authorities for fear of retaliation or not being taken seriously, or because they have no confidence in the justice system. This contributes to the lack of data, which makes it difficult to quantify the extent of the problem and take effective measures to address it. Many Muslim civil society groups have recognized the importance of monitoring hate crimes, including as a defense tool, and are developing their monitoring capabilities through online disclosure and reporting. To be effective, police responses and government policies to tackle hate crimes against Muslims must be evidence-based and draw on official data on hate crime, as well as report from civil society and international organizations. Increased public awareness, recording of hate crimes by states, measures to encourage victim reporting, and civil society monitoring and reporting would help reveal the scale of the problem in more detail, enabling policymakers to identify appropriate responses. It is therefore essential to make victims aware of their rights, both through administrative, civil and criminal proceedings, and by encouraging them to report to the authorities and seek legal and psychological assistance. How to report? Generally speaking, in Europe it is possible to report through the judicial police. It is possible to report to the police for free. The person speaks and a competent figure transcribes what is said. Also, it is possible to report by means of a lawyer. In this case, normally the victim reports and receives a professional service for a fee. There are cases in which it is possible to obtain legal support for free. Also, it is possible to report personally at the prosecutor office, but it is necessary to create a documentation and therefore to have a basic knowledge on the subject. The victim can become a civil party and request compensation for damages and bring the case forward. In Italy, since 2003, an equality body called UNAR operates. The Office for the Promotion of Equal Treatment and the Removal of Discrimination based on Race or Ethnic Origin, UNAR, was established with Legislative Decree 215/2003, transposing Community Directive 2000/43 EC, and operates within the Department for Equal Opportunities of the Presidency of the Council of Ministers. The UNAR has the function of guaranteeing, in full autonomy of judgment and in conditions of impartiality, the effectiveness of the principle of equal treatment between people, to supervise the operation of the instruments of protection in force against discrimination, and to help remove discrimination based on race and ethnic origin by analyzing the different impact they have on gender and their relationship with other forms of racism of a cultural and religious nature. The National Office Against Racial Discrimination guarantees the application of the principle of equal treatment between people and counteracts the spread of discriminatory phenomena, assisting the victims, checking the effectiveness of the existing protection tools, and analyzing the forms and dynamic of manifestation of the phenomenon. The UNAR Contact Center, to which it is possible to report episodes of discrimination, can be reached via a free telephone service and via the web at www.unar.it. The Center collects reports, complaints, and testimonies on facts, events, realities, procedures, and action that jeopardize, for reason of race or ethnic origin, equal treatment between people. It also offers immediate assistance to the victims of discrimination by providing information, guidance, and psychological support, and accompanies the victims of discrimination in the judicial process if they decide to take legal action for the assessment and repression of harmful behavior.